Yaki Khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Friends, today from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth.
What haba ulet Shabari ru u Menteri Rang Badu Kari u Narendra Modi u Jukaran bed da kaktin lajong kata kaktin Hindi Hanrei mentakasi ha kajialang padba kepala long ha Madhubani District Jongga Bihar bon kilingo ba umudi ukuran da kapareng ha kapasdang umudi ulakren da kaktin Hindi Hanrei kat badang ya ki jingkren jongu ulakren sa da kapareng bat kadaw ba umudi ukuran da kapareng kadai namar ba ukwa ba baro kiri ka parthai ki bapet ya ki khubor kin sotho ya ka ba ukuran bat kin sotho ya ki jing bitar jongga India halor ka jing sa ahyar thma ha kileno ha Pahalgam Jammu and Kashmir ha kani ka jingkren jongu ha Bihar umudi ulaong ba ke India kan thwet haban dalap ya kileno bat ngin kharwet da ka bating e ya kitu ki ba jingkersan ya kiru shushu ha ka jingkren jongu umudi ulaong ba ke India kan ompelan bat ka thwet bed lada day banwat shadu bakut jongga parthairu.
Friends, today from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.